folks. Live with Bob on Channel 5 here, Noah Kazurk. And we're waiting outside on the time machine here for Travis Eccles and Westbrook's.
Better hope nothing is different or you're dead.
Probably something's different.
Alright, I'm gonna trust you now. But if anything changes, you won't be happy.
Seems like Travis is mad at Eccles. Sorry. Here we have Westbrook's here. What just happened?
So Eccles just ran off the path, and we have no clue if he changed the future or not.
Okay, what do you think about? Oh, what was that? Oh no, Travis just shot Eccles. Oh my!
I told you
I
not
think
to
he's
say
dead.
it. You wouldn't be happy.
I think he's dead. Travis, why'd you shoot Eccles?
I couldn't just let him walk free. He changed the future.
Well, folks, see you on another time.